YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install LEDs on your 2006 to 2010 Dodge Charger. With these LEDs, they're dim until you turn on both, or until you turn on your toggle. I guess for safety, but it's what you do. Just take a knife and easily pry on both corners because it's held in with clips. So I'll show you. Alright, and then once you get that, just pull carefully because there's a metal bracket up there. Just gotta wiggle it out because that's held in, and then you have this metal plate that you just pull on. I'm not installing these back on because I think they're pointless. Then you take your LED. Some of them might work, some might not. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with my phone, but take this one out. That one's no good. That one's trash. So, like I said, some might be good, some might be trash. Like I said, they're dim until you turn on both, and then they brighten right up. But that's how you replace the LEDs on a 2006 to 2010 Dodge Charger.